Hello YouTube. Today we have the Milwaukee new mid-torque impact wrench. This is model number 2861, which means it has the hog ring on it. They claim it has up to 450 foot-pounds of sustained torque and 600 foot-pounds nut busting torque, as you can see on the box right there. It is a bare tool, obviously. We have rotated, let's see, 8 tires with it so far, which equals 40 lug nuts. I drove mini lag bolts just messing around in the backyard, just using the darn thing, and it is only dropped 1 bar, as you can see right there. Like a lot of other Milwaukee tools, it has the 1, 2, and 3 mode. It's got the light. Yeah, it's a great tool. We'll show you a few lag bolts being drove in with it, and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, what I got here is a large block of pine. I got a 3/8 inch, probably by 1.5 inches. I got a 5/16 by, what is that, 4 inch, and I also got a 1/2 inch by 4 inch. I did have a 3/8 by 4 inch, but I was driving into another block like this yesterday, and I drove it too far, sunk it in too far. I couldn't get back out. This thing's a beast. I didn't let off in time, but we'll show you what we got here. So I'll do the small one first. Let's get these off here. Slide this right on the tool here. More of a two-handed operation here, but I'll set the phone down for you guys. Alright, just put it right in the end of the tool here, and I put the wrong size on. Give me a second. This is my first tool review, guys, so just give me a chance here. There we go, that should help a little better. It is on speed setting 3, and we'll see what we got here. Alright, here we go. There it is. Alright, now let's throw on the other socket, get this other lag bolt in. And that's tight. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, let's grab this 5/16 here. Get her started. Alright, here we go. 4 inch by 5/16 lag bolt. There it is. Alright, ready guys? Alright, here we go. Not bad, I wouldn't say. Drove her in fairly quickly. And I'm sure usually when you guys are putting in a lag bolt of that size, you're at least pre-drilling a hole, so it'd probably go in a little quicker than that. Alright, one last thing I want to show you guys is a little size comparison between this one and the other Milwaukee fueled impact driver I have. Alright guys, here it is next to my Milwaukee impact driver. This is the newest impact driver from Milwaukee, the Gen 2 with 1800 inch-pounds torque. as you guys can see, it's really not a whole lot bigger. We can put them right beside here next to each other. Really not a whole lot taller. They both have the 5.0 batteries on them. Obviously, the back end of them is going to be larger. You're talking about a bigger impact wrench. Feels really nice, guys. It's probably about 5 pounds, around 5 pounds, I believe it is. Let's see here. All right, focus. All right, 3.8 pounds without the battery. So as a bare tool, it's 3.8 pounds. About 5.5 pounds, I believe, as a tool with a battery. I really like it, guys. It's turned out to be a really nice impact wrench. Might have to take a look at it sometime. All right, thanks. Bye.